Hi EDU 210 students, this is a quick video to remind you that we are now moving into weeks 5 and 6, which will be due February 22nd. Over these 2 weeks we'll cover Chapter 3 Language and Chapter 7, I have that backwards, Chapter 7 Language and Chapter 3 Socioeconomic Status. I think you'll find some really interesting teaching strategies for language learners. Know that if you do teach in Arizona, chances are you will teach ELL students or English language learning students. Also, the implications for socioeconomic status are really interesting. We have moved from race and ethnicity as being the highest predictor of success to socioeconomic status being the highest predictor of student success. So we need to be thinking of ways we can meet the needs of all students, especially those who come from homes where maybe the parents are really struggling to make ends meet, the children aren't coming well rested if they don't have heat in their home, they aren't coming well fed or fed nutritious foods. Most districts have homeless liaisons that are there specifically to reach out to students in lower socioeconomic status or students in transition. So that can even be kids living with grandma while their parents get back on their feet, all different kinds of situations. So you'll be learning about a lot of those things in class over these 2 weeks. To help you solidify that learning, you'll have quizzes for chapters 3 and 7, as well as, I think this will be a fun assessment for you, creating a brochure about English language learners. And then lastly, you're going to learn about the idea of hidden bias and take a hidden bias test. And that's what you'll be writing about in the discussion board area for this week. Well, for these 2 weeks. If you have any questions as you go through the material, don't hesitate to contact me. Otherwise, I'll check back in again around February 22nd.